Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can take your just joined forces piece that SLM created for you and actually send it out through a social post campaign in your command account. Now, there is a little pre-work. You'll want to make sure that your social platforms are linked to command prior to showing or prior to doing the steps I'm fixing to show you. So definitely check out our YouTube channel. We have tip videos there to show you how to link your Facebook, your Instagram, and your Twitter/X account to command in preparation to be able to send out a social post campaign. So just assuming that you've already got your social media platforms linked to your command properly. And so I'm just going to start from that point moving forward. And if you're unfamiliar with what a just joined forces piece is, this is something we create for agents that are onboarding with us here at SLM. So if you've just moved to or transferred to a new market center, if you have become a brand new agent with KW, we have created a just joined forces piece for you and attached it to your Keller Cloud Setup Complete email. And that is what I'm referencing. So if you have that downloaded on your device as an image, or you have it in your command designs where we typically set it up for you, either way will work. I'm going to show you how to actually connect both of those to a social post campaign. So first, you'll log into command as you can see here on your screen, and then you'll go over here to your campaigns tab. It's a little bullhorn or megaphone, whichever you call it. And from here, just make sure that social post tab at the top right-hand corner is selected. And you can click Create Campaign at any time and choose Social Post. At the top, very simply, just make sure that the social platforms you want this to appear on are selected. If you just want it to go onto one, that's fine. You can pick and choose. And right here, if you want any text to go along with this post, you could add it here if you would like or not. But right here, you'll see an Add Media button. Go ahead and choose that, and it gives you two options, one to browse files on your device and one to browse designs from your Command Design Center. I'll show you what both look like. So again, if you actually have your Just Joined Forces piece already saved to your computer as an image file, you can click Browse Files and go ahead and choose that from your files and click Open. It will let you see it so you can kind of adjust it a little bit if you would like and choose crop image. It will show you a preview over here on the far right of what this post is going to look like. If you have the Just Joined Forces piece in your command designs where we set it up for you, you can also choose it from there by clicking on Browse Designs. I will tell you this selection rather can take a little bit of a moment. We've seen a couple of bugs with this lately. So if you do get any errors or it just takes forever to load, you can definitely reach out to us. We'll be happy to look into it further for you. But what it has done here, it's opened up a modified version of your Command Designs dashboard. It's not showing you all of your designs that you have available. It's only showing you your social templates that you have that you've already edited and saved. So if you're not seeing your Just Joined Forces piece here, that's okay. You can add it from your device, just like I showed you. Or if you really want to get fancy with it, you can go into your Designs tab separately and actually create a social post or social piece with the image from your Just Joined Forces piece. We have tip videos on how to do that if you want to create your own and maybe add some flair to it. But this is how you would add it from your designs if it is saved as a social template. We're not going to add one. We're actually just going to go back to the design library here, or click back beside the design library. Brings you back to the building part of your social post campaign. We still have our image saved from our device. So you can come down, make your selections for compliance if you have any that's required of you, and also go ahead and either choose to schedule this post or publish immediately, whichever you would like to do. We can go ahead and schedule using the calendar here and even your clock at the bottom. And then at the top right, you do have options after you preview your sample here. You can choose save it as a draft to save for later, or you can choose schedule post and go ahead and do that. Now, if I had chose publish immediately, obviously I'd have an option to publish immediately, but we did not. So we're going to save ours as a draft since ours is a demo campaign, but feel free to go ahead and post it or schedule it out for whichever you prefer. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything else to do with your KW platform, please feel free to reach out to us via email, and our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Thanks for watching.